Fratelli e sorelle,
Dear brothers and sisters,
l'immane tragedia della
the
seconda guerra mondiale
immense tragedy of the Second World War ended 80 years ago. After so many millions of victims, and now we're facing the tragedy of a third world war in pieces, as Pope Francis often said. I would also like to address the powerful people of the world, repeating the always current call, never again war.
Porto nel mio cuore
I carry in my heart the suffering of the beloved Ukrainian people. May whatever is possible be done to reach an authentic, true and lasting peace as quickly as possible. May all the prisoners be freed. May children return to their families. And I'm deeply hurt by what is happening in the Gaza Strip. May a ceasefire immediately come into effect. May humanitarian aid be allowed to the civilian population, and may all hostages be freed. And I was happy to hear, on the other hand, that there was a ceasefire between India and Pakistan, and I hope that through the coming negotiations we might soon come to a lasting accord. But how many other conflicts there are in the world? I entrust to the Queen of Peace this appeal, so that it might be her who presents it to the Lord Jesus to achieve the miracle of peace.
And
now I would like to greet all of you with affection. The Romans and pilgrims from various countries,